Good morning from Flaten Lake and Flaten Nature Reserve. It is 23rd of April 2026, currently 8:50 a.m. and this is my earliest beach adventure in Sweden this year. And I'm showing you for the first time this beach spot this year, I think, as I think I have been here once or twice before in the previous years. And yeah, you see, it's forest all around, which means that this is a nude beach spot, spontaneous one in the forest. As it is a bit difficult to get here, it's off the trail also. But to my how to say, not luck, it is a bit blowing right here. It's windy, so after my swim I will head to my go-to spot at Ekuden, because I think over there it's no wind. It's around 2 kilometers from here actually, and you can find your own spot here in the nature depending on how the wind blows. Yeah, I saw that it's gonna be sunny until 12 today, so I just said yes, today is gonna be early beach adventure because I have gotten up at 7 already. And beautiful Thursday, sunny Thursday so far. The clouds are coming in, and it's gonna be a bit colder next week it seems, but currently 9 degrees for a morning in April. In Sweden it's warm, I must say. If there wasn't for the wind, it's gonna be even warmer because of the sun, obviously. Here I get also measurements of over 10 actually on my thermometer on the sun, but under shadow it's definitely just 9. And I'm so eager to see if we're gonna have any much warmer Lake Flaten, that is. And we continue with the beach adventures for sure. And to get here, you have seen my Scott gravel bike over there. 9.5 kilometers for 25 minutes it was. And the verdict of the water temperature, just 9 degrees. So it has gotten a bit colder, I think, as I think I have measured warmer last a few days ago actually. Yeah, there's my Scott, and yeah, I'm gonna be a bit speedy here because I want to go to a place with no wind so I can sunbathe also. As here it's not so convenient when it's blowing, even though it's nice. And yeah, but I'm so happy to show you a different spot other than my usual ones that I am showing you, as I have gotten a bit very attached to those spots. It's very easy, I know the way, it's very easy to get to. I know that there will be probably no one there where I'm going, but also it's April and now there's nobody even on the main beach, which is Stora Flattenbadet and Melanbadet and Lilla Flattenbadet, which are public beaches also. And there we have also very nice rock formation that now it's under shadow, but it has sun from midday until sunset, and that those places we will explore for sure also on my channel. Okay, Chris is ready for a dip in the Lake Flaten on this sunny but windy spot here in the nature reserve for Flaten. And yeah, I should have gotten to Ekuden. I'm pretty sure there is no wind there, as the wind is coming directly from there. You can see. Okay, but I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna survive for sure. All right, all right, all right. Okay, let's get in. Ooh, here it is also quite difficult to get in. In a good way, I mean to say. All right, are you ready for a dip in Lake Flaten? Because I definitely am at this nude beach spot in the nature. So, ready, set, and go! Whew. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. Oh, what a beautiful start of the day, for sure. Whew. And now I'm getting a bit longer than usual, but before I freeze, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another fish adventure on my channel, Fish Adventures with Chris.